Rolly Ann Nodo, who is in her 20s and is from Las Piñas City, knew she was different when she was around 9 years old.
Pero nagkakaroon ako ng relationship with Butch before when I was 12. Pero hindi kasi ako na-attract sa boy. Parang mas nakita ko yung attraction sa Butch or feminine po.
The eldest and the only girl among 6 kids, Rolly Ann's parents were against her being LGBTQIA+. This opposition was particularly made apparent when they dealt with her partners.
Alam ng mother ng parents ko, lahat ng naging karelasyon kong feminine, Butch, and against po sila. As in, against, lahat. Parang lahat ginawa nila to mapaghiwalay kami. Ganon. I experienced po when I was high school. Then, kinumpronta siya ng mom ko na hiwalayin mo yung anak ko, wala kang mapapala sa kanya. Parang ganun po. Every time po, parang ganun. Kinukonfront siya ng parents ko. Tapos may time na, nag-aaway kami ng parents ko kasi pinaglalaban ko yung relationship na meron ako.
Rolly Ann actually confronted her mom about this hatred. She was told that this was done out of concern.
So, tinanong ko yung mom ko kung bakit hindi niya matanggap. Sabi niya, may tita po kasi akong lesbian. And nakita po niya kung paano masaktan yung tita ko when it comes to love. To the point na nagpapakamatay, ganun. So, natatakot siya na baka pagdaanan ko yun.
Rolly Ann is married to a heterosexual man now. He knows everything about her and he supports her completely.
Wala naman po akong tinago sa kanya ever since, alam niya po yun. Supportive po siya kung paano ko supportahan yung mga LGBT community po. I am part of LGBT community sa work and dito po sa place namin sa Pilar.
Dahil nakaranas siya ng paghihirap bilang isang bisexual woman, Rolly Ann believes that having an LGBTQIA community is important.
Una, to support yung mga LGBT people na una hindi nakakapag-out. Pangalawa, yung mga naghahanap ng ganito, ng mga kaibigan, ng group na makakasabay sila. Sobrang importante ng LGBT group sa labas ng mga talent.
Para kay Rolly Ann, haters need to recognize that LGBTQIA+ people only want to be seen as equals.
Yung LGBT community po, hindi po kami nandito para manira, hindi po kami nandito para magpalaganap ng masama. Gusto lang po talaga namin matanggap kami. Yun lang yung gusto namin para maging equal lang yung tingin ng tao sa amin.
And for younger LGBTQIA+ people, Rolly Ann wants them to at least celebrate being accepted now, even if this acceptance is gradual.
Ang swerte ng henerasyon nila ngayon. Sobrang laganap na kasi natutuwa ako na makita na sobrang open na ng bisexual ngayon. Parang normal na lang na makakakita ka ng babae sa babae, lalaki sa lalaki. Parang mas nauna na silang matanggap ng community kesa sa trans man, tapos man, ganun. So, yun, congratulations sa atin, sa inyo, na unti-unti na tayong natatanggap.